Good morning everyone. How are you beta? Okay, let's start new topic, equivalent fractions. Do you know what are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions show equal parts of a whole. Let me explain with the help of an example. In example 1, I have taken 3 squares. Okay. You know shaded part of this square? Yes. I have divided this square into 2 equal parts. So one out of these 2 parts I have shaded one part. The fraction of this shaded part of this square is 1 by 2. Because total parts are 2, out of these 2 I have shaded one part. Now in this square, out of these 4 parts, if I shade 2 parts out of these 4 parts, so how many parts I have shaded? 2 parts out of 4. In fraction we always write total parts as denominator. Total parts as denominator. In this square how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total parts I always write as denominator. Now out of these 6 parts, if I shade color 3 parts, so how many parts have shaded? 3. So what is the fraction of this shaded part? 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Now look at these 2 circles. This circle I have divided into 2 equal parts, and here I have divided into 4 equal parts. If I shade half circle, the fraction of this circle will be fraction of this circle will be 1 by 2. If I shade 2 parts out of these 4 parts, so I have shaded 2 by 4. Please look carefully. In first example, in first example, I have shaded 1 part out of 2, 2 parts out of 4, 3 parts out of 6. Please look carefully. Look. Here I have shaded half square. Again here I have shaded half square. Here I have shaded again half square. In all these 3 squares I have shaded half, half, half. Fraction of this square is 1 by 2. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 6. It means all these fractions are equal. Why these are equal? Because I have shaded equally in these 3 squares. Equally. देखो इसमें भी आधा है, इसमें भी आधा है, इसमें भी आधा है. जो इसका फ्रैक्शन है, इसका फ्रैक्शन है, इसका फ्रैक्शन है, तीनों फ्रैक्शन क्या होंगे? इक्वल. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. These are called equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. ये दोनों equivalent fraction किसके हैं? 1 by 2 के. Here in this circle, look again, half circle is shaded. Here again half circle is shaded. It means these 2 fractions are equivalent. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are equivalent fractions. Here in your book one example is there. Tia filled half of the box with buttons. Here Pia filled 2 by 4 of the box with buttons. Here Gia filled 4 by 8 of the box with buttons. All these 3 girls filled half circle, half circle, half circle with buttons. It means fraction of this circle is 1 by 2, fraction of this circle is 2 by 4, fraction of this circle is 4 by 8. It means these 3 fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions show equal parts of a whole. Here is a whole circle. So these equivalent fractions shows equal parts are filled with buttons. Clear? Fractions. Let me explain. Equivalent fraction. I have given 1 by 2. I have to make equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. If you want to make equivalent fraction, you have to multiply numerator as well as denominator with the same number. Suppose I am multiplying by 2, so in denominator I have to multiply 2 also. अगर मैं ऊपर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ तो नीचे भी मुझे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो 1 2 ज़ा 2, 2 2 ज़ा 4. इट मीन्स 1/2 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन क्या आ गया? 2/4. 2/4 is equivalent fraction of 1/2. 2/4 is equivalent fraction of 1/2. Suppose I have to make one more equivalent fraction of 1/2. I will multiply by 3. Numerator and denominator both. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6. It means equivalent fraction of 1/2 is 2/4, 3/6. If I want to make one more equivalent fraction of 1/2, I will make multiply by 4 and 4. Equivalent fraction of 1/2 will be 4/8. These all are equivalent fraction of 1/2. 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 3/6 is equal to 4/8. One more example. I have to make equivalent fraction of 4/5. I will multiply 2 by 2, 4/2, 5/2. It will become 8/10. It means 8/10 is equivalent fraction of 4/5. I have to make equivalent fraction of 6/7. I have to multiply by 2, 12/14. Beta, it's not compulsory. You have to multiply by 2 only. You can multiply by any number to make equivalent fraction. Suppose you have 3/8. आपको equivalent fraction इसके बहुत सारे equivalent fraction हैं. Suppose you have to make 10 equivalent fraction. You can multiply by 2 and 2. By 3 and 3, by 4 and 4, by 10 and 10, by 20 and 20. But please keep in your mind, if you are multiplying any numerator with any number, you have to multiply denominator with the same number, numerator and denominator both with the same number. So 6/16, 9/24, 10/80, 60/100. All these are equivalent fraction of 3/8. ये सभी के सभी 3/8 के equivalent fraction है. कुछ भी, suppose you have to make equivalent fraction of 2/7. कुछ भी. If question is write 2 equivalent fraction of 2/7. आपकी मर्जी. You can multiply with any number. So 200/700 is equivalent fraction of 2/7. This is also equivalent fraction of 2/7. 2/7 multiplied 2/2. 4/14 is also equivalent fraction of 2/7. आपको equivalent fraction बनाना है तो आप given fraction को के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सेम नंबर से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Then you will get equivalent fraction. Clear? Okay, let's start exercise 6.4. Fill in the equivalent fraction. 1/2 multiply 5/5. देखो ध्यान से बेटा, we have to make equivalent fraction of 1/2. इस क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने 5 and 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. If we multiply by 5, तो आंसर will be 5/10. 5/10 will be equivalent fraction of 1/2. 5/10 will be equivalent fraction of 1/2. In this fraction, 1/4 multiplied by 3 and 3. So 3/12 is the equivalent fraction of 1/4. In this question, what will be equivalent fraction of 1/3? 4/12. Here, question number 4. We have to write equivalent fraction of 1/6. Here, 1 is multiplied by 3. So, we have to multiply 6 also by 3. हमें 6 को भी 3 से करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सेम नंबर से अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तभी we can get equivalent fraction. So, answer will be 3/18. Clear? Here, numerator is multiplied by 2. So, we have to multiply denominator by 2 also. So, equivalent fraction will be 2/16. Here, by 5, 15/20. Okay. Now, question number 7. We have given fraction 2/5. We have to make equivalent fraction of 2/5. Here, 5 is multiplied by 5. It means we have to multiply 2 by 5 also. So, equivalent fraction will become 10/25. Okay, now you can do exercise 6.4. Next question. Look at the figures and write equivalent fractions. This is half This is also half. But this square is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of these 4, 2 parts are shaded. So fraction of this square is 2 by 4. Or you can get answer by multiplying these two fractions. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Same thing. This is 1 by 2, 3 by 6. Here in this square 6 equal parts, out of 6 3 are shaded. So fraction of this square is 3 by 6. 1 by 2 multiply 4 by 4. 4 by 8. Okay. 1 by 3 multiply 2 by 2. 2 by 6. 2 by 8. 6 by 9. In question 6, in first square, 2 parts are colored out of 3. In second square, 6 parts are colored out of 9. But look carefully, equal parts are colored in both squares. It is 2/3, it is also 2/3. In both squares, equal parts are colored. So these two squares, fractions of these two squares are equivalent fractions. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.